So we're spending the day at Road Atlanta today with the driving club, the Road Atlanta Driving Club, testing the new Essex AP brake kit for the C8 Corvette.
It's a great club. The facilities are top-notch. We really do get spoiled coming down here. We've been a technical partner with them since the startup.
Wonderful facility here full of vintage and even current professional level race cars. Again, we had a great lunch provided by the driving club, some technical information from Essex, and it's just been a great event all around. So I've been working for Essex about 10 years now. They're fairly local to me. Their kits are always well thought out. Everything just works right the first time. When a client calls and is interested in putting a brake kit on the car, I know that Essex is the company they need to deal with because everything's just going to work and it's not going to be a problem that I'm going to have to deal with down the road. It's a brand new package. The weight distribution of this car is unlike anything we've seen in a Corvette before.
We have a car, we take it in, we do a lot of measurements on the original brake system. We do measurements on how much weight is on each axle, the wheelbase, we're looking at the center of gravity height. We're taking all that into account and how much braking we need to put on each end of the car. And then we have to get those not only in the right proportion to each other, but the right sum total correct so that it's the proper sensitivity on the pedal for the driver. We needed to make sure that this system, A, had good balance, had good sensitivity at the pedal, it was in the range that the drivers could control easily. That was something that gave them good confidence. And we needed to make sure that it worked with all the electronics that are on the car. We don't want it throwing any codes and causing the owners any problems.
Today went, I think, as good as we could have hoped. We saw no issues whatsoever.
We're trying to make it so that when you're at the track, the brake things are the last thing you have to worry about. You can sit there and worry about getting your suspension, your tire pressures, and those things set right, and not worry about the brakes. Just drive the car.
The car did fabulous. The pedal was firm. The car was balanced all day, and the brake temperatures have just been perfect. The car couldn't have performed better.
You know, we're excited to see how this car does and this car takes off. It certainly is a really good value, certainly for sports car enthusiasts.